Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to make that shape right there. It's made by a six-sided polygon and then with scalloped corners, and they can't get it to work. So I'm going to draw a six-sided polygon holding down the control button, and I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. It will not work. If you select them all with, matter of fact, it'd be better to take away these little nodes and they all disappear. You can see that it's grayed out. It will not apply the scallop. Well, it's a polygon. So all you have to do is select it and go up to Object and convert it to a curve. Take the Shape tool and select all the nodes. And you can see now that the polygon is applied. You could do fillets, which I've done a lot to round off corners. You could do scallop corners to make it, a lot of times, this is a good lesson. Once you've done one of the steps, you really got to back up to do the next step. That's a pretty cool effect. Now you could do that with any star, and I do that a lot with stars when I round off corners, but you have to convert it to a curve first. And just while we're here, if you want to round off only the outside corners, select all the nodes and then take your Shift tool and deselect the inside and then round off I'm going to fillet them. And you can round off the corners because we deselected. You can do the same thing with your shape tool. It's a little bit harder, but all you really have to do is select. If we want to do just the inside, then you just select all the insides and round them off. Of course, that's not much of a round. But if you want to do them all, and see here again, it'll do them all. Let's try I've never thought about using a polygon. Let's try maybe a 10-sided polygon and see what it does. Of course, we've got to go to Object and convert it to a curve. And I don't know if it's going to do those inner side nodes or not. 0.5 is going to be way too big. 0.2, I mean. But that's still that's almost like a gear. And that would be hard to reproduce without using the corner. Let's do a chamfered color and chamfer on it and see what happens. See, it just rounds them off a little bit, but it doesn't really round them off. It's giving it a flat edge. That's pretty cool. Let's make it more of a chamfer. Let's go 2 inches. See, now it's showing you what it's going to do and what it looks like. So now you've got a 2-inch flat side. That it doesn't really do much for you there, but the scallop corners is pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching. Just convert it to a curve.